What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today, we're going to be going over Libero Finance. So Libero has been really taking over the crypto space lately. So big shout out to Kenneth Gray, one of the members of the channel, for recommending this to me. And definitely hit the like button and subscribe, everybody. And also remember, I'm not a financial advisor and none of this financial advice, but let's get straight to it. So the first thing I want to talk about here with Libero Finance is they claim to be one of the highest paying dual rewards auto staking protocols. So pretty much you auto stake your coins and you can also stake your coins for dual rewards. But over here you can see world's highest fixed APY of 158,000%, automatic staking and compounding in your wallet like the rewards tokens. And then over here, get rewards every 30 minutes, 48 times daily pretty much. So there's a lot that we got to unpack here with Libero. So this is probably going to be a long video. Now, DeFi 3.0 multi-chain farming to support high rewards, and then burning 2 to 4% every week of the supply, which is pretty big. And they're saying it's rug proof, no minting to wallet, audited by Thorium, and rug free coins audited by Certic. So it's pretty much solidified in the crypto space. Not only is it solidified in the crypto space, it's not listed on Binance, obviously, but look, Libero is actually on Binance for one of the top trending coins right now. Literally number 4 in top trending coins here on Binance, the official Binance website. So yeah, out of all Binance coins, it's top 4 trending right now in the last 24 hours. That's pretty significant. And actually, this is in the last 7 days, not even the last 24 hours. So that's very significant. When it's in the last 7 days, it doesn't show up for the last 7 days. But for it being trending, like top trending in the last 7 days, and then over here for the last 30 days, number 2, this is really significant for Libero Finance. So that's pretty huge, and it's up pretty big right now too. So anyways, let's keep going over this. So Libero Bank, ex-Libero Bank, earn BUSD from 7% transaction volume and participate in Libero governance. So yeah, there's a whole bank that they got, like not an actual bank where you walk in and you go to a bank teller and all that. But the Libero Bank is pretty much a whole financial freedom not auto staking, but it's like a whole financial freedom passive income type thing that they got going on here. Now, over here, they've got some things that really make sense. This is what everyone knows. If they want to achieve financial freedom, you can't physically work 24/7, but your money can for you. So buying Libero pretty much places you in that position. So this is pretty much the financials and how it works. So this is how you work around with Libero Finance. So 2 steps to financial freedom, or the 50-50 strategy. So 1, buy Libero. 2, stake 50% of your Libero in Libero Bank for 4 years and keep 50% inside of your wallet. So you're staking 50% and you're keeping 50% in your wallet for auto rewards. So yeah, that's pretty much all it is. So it's pretty simple. But anyways, 50% in Libero Bank, 50% in your wallet. Earn the highest, and this is for immediate benefits, earn the highest stablecoin passive income, 226% BUSD APR. So it's paid inside of BUSD. That's average percentage rating. So you earn 7% in BUSD from every buy and sell. So you directly make profit even when whales sell. So your total BUSD rewards keep increasing every 30 minutes with trading volume. So you keep on earning regardless of price going up or down and the market being bearish or bullish. So also over here, you can see earn more by saving 25% tax sell, the 25% sell tax every time you are rewarded in BUSD, and saving 50% buy tax every time you compound BUSD to Libero. So you pretty much see how that works. You get paid in that BUSD from staking on the bank, and then you put it straight back into Libero. So it's compounding. So over here, you can see earn from hundreds of thousands USD airdrops and multi-chain farming profits. And and also the multi-chain farming profits. You can see the whole multi-chain farming over here. These are all the farming wallets. You got Metis at 501k. You got Phantom over here at 1 million. You got BSC for 1.8 million, which is going to be the largest one. Obviously, you got Oasis over here at 212k, Polygon at 10.5, Astar at 9.9k, and Kronos, which is crypto.com coin, at 515k. So you got multi-chain farming over here. So over here, you can also see vote in Libero DAO governance for important decisions or profit from Libero Smart Bond. You have to be a part of the Libero bank system, pretty much staking on Libero. And don't forget that your staked Libero will come back in full after just 66 days by the 1.05 daily interest auto compound every 30 minutes pretty much. And then the 50% from your wallet, which is the auto rewards, you can pretty much earn highest fixed APY of 158K%. That's pretty high, so I'm gonna have to try it myself to see if that works. But yeah, they're saying 158K APY. Watch your $1,000 become 1.5 million in a year just by holding Libero in your wallet. And they say you maximize earnings by the power of compounding interest, the eighth wonder of the world, as called by Albert Einstein. And also, you make money while you sleep, as advised by Warren Buffett, since Libero is auto staking and auto compounding. So they have a lot of claims here, and it's definitely seen to pan out. Like, I've seen a lot of different people talking about this, and a lot of different people actually making money through this. So over here, you can see for the long-term benefit, your locked 50% helps to increase the price of your other unlocked 50%. Since by staking 50%, you reduce 50% supply and remove 50% sell pressure, the whole ecosystem, which will grow much more robustly and healthier. You are strengthening the path to your millions by the end of the year. So this is pretty much with the help of everybody that invests inside of Libero and stakes their 50% and then holds the other 50%. So this is definitely seeming pretty solid to me. And if you want to know how it works, they have the whole thing here from number one, Libero Insurance Treasury Lit Fund, as they call it, buy and sell fees. So a portion of the buy and sell fees helps sustain the Libero Treasury revenue. 5 to 10% of the trading volume is redirected to the Treasury, thus helping control the Libero staking protocol distribution. So then the two, you got the DeFi 3.0 multi-chain farming, Libero Treasury, pretty much the Treasury inflow increases the Libero Treasury balance and backs outstanding Libero tokens. So the Lit funds are bridged to other EVM compatible blockchains like Avalanche, Phantom, Solana, Metis, Polygon, etc. to farm at the highest APY farms and the profit returned to the Lit fund. We aim to deliver 50% additional returns a year or more to better support Libero price floors. So then you also see the staking rewards. Libero token compounds automatically with a treasury-backed currency with intrinsic volume. So they got a lot of good stuff going on here when they got the every 2 through 4 or every week 2 to 4% of the total supply is burned. So it's definitely seeming like this could be pretty solid. Now, you also have the whole roadmap that they have here. Well, not roadmap, but they got the whole thing pretty much visualized if you're a visual person. But yeah, they got it all here. If you want to check it out, definitely go over to libero.finance for all this info here. And they got the whole tokenomics structure over here. We already know it's a BP20 token. You got the automatic LP, 5% of trading fees return to the liquidity, ensuring Libero's increasing collateral value. So 5% automatically going to the liquidity, 5% going back to the treasury. Well, 3% of the purchases and 5% of the sales go to the directly to the treasury pretty much. And then you got the Lit buyback fund that we just now explained. Then you got the Libero Bank, which is 2% buy and 5% sell, convert to BUSD. So every time people buy Libero, 2% of your buy is going to everyone's BUSD rewards, and 5% of your sales goes to everyone's BUSD rewards. So that's actually pretty significant there. So I'm definitely going to have to look into this some more for myself. I'm probably going to end up buying Libero soon because it has been pumping recently. As you can see, 8.4% in the last 24 hours, about 42% in the last 30 days. And it's fairly new, and for it to be pumping this much at such a young age for this coin, like, it's literally so new right now. So the fact that it's already going up is pretty big, and that it's already number 2 for the last 7 days on over every Binance Smart Chain token. This is the rank number 2. So that's pretty significant. And you can see over here the fully diluted market cap, all that. We got about 121.7 million market cap. And in fully diluted market cap, there's about 140 million in fully diluted market cap. So there's a lot of potential here for Libero. I definitely think it could be one of those top trending coins like for a long time. But what I'm really looking at here is 121 million in market cap. That's a lot of market cap. So right now with a Libero, you're pretty much looking more so to get your rewards. You're looking to get those rewards, and you're also looking to get the staking rewards. So from the bank, you're 50% coming in from the staking, and then also from your auto rewards. This doesn't look like something that you just wait to hit like 1,000x, like that. It just doesn't look like that. The market cap is actually too high for it to do some huge astronomical 1,000x. And you just got to think about it. Like when you do 121 million times 1,000 and seeing it 1,000x would be 121 billion inside of market cap, higher than Binance's market cap. So we're not looking at this to 100x, but I could see this 10xing and being $1 billion market cap type coin. So this could definitely easily 10x from where it's at now. So just look at it like that. But on top of that, you're also getting your rewards as well as it increasing in price. So it's a win-win situation here with Libero. But yeah, I definitely think there's big potential here, and we're actually seeing a little bit of a pump here now. So right now it may continue to pump because we already had that pullback after the initial pump. So now we're probably about to start pumping some more in Libero, and the fact that it's trending everywhere is also going to make it pump as well. Now it has about 100K holders here with Libero, and you also have a lot of major whales buying some more Libero, like this major whale right here with $96,000 inside of Libero. They just purchased a lot more, even though they did sell at the peak at 13 days ago. They sold at the peak 123 or 128 million Libero, which is a pretty significant amount of Libero that they just now sold. Well, not just now, but 13 days ago, which is pretty much when it peaked. So that was expected. But right now we're at 008965. So just to kind of give you a hint at what the whales are doing and how they're moving there. Some of the whales sold at the peak, but let's just kind of do some math here. So let's do the 128,063. Remember, as these whales sell, you get like 25% of their sale is going to the people. Like that's a huge sale tax. So it's not like a really small sale tax. That's pretty big, but it's way smaller or way larger than the buy tax. But anyways, 367 here. So let's just multiply this by the Libero, see exactly how much they ended up selling at that particular time. So 008929. So 0.008920 actually. That was about $1.1 million. So yeah, this whale sold about $1.1 million here right at this peak. And a lot of the whales did that. That's why you've seen that huge dip right here. So for the people wondering why it dropped, it's because the whales sold. But now those same whales are buying back in. And that's why I'm talking about this, because the same whales that sold are now buying more that it dipped. So now they're buying the dip that they created. So you're probably going to see more and more whales start to buy more of this Libero up. So that was a significant sell, but it's also some significant buying, but that's about to come back in. But yeah, there's some big potential here with Libero. I like to go through the nitty gritty, show you what's happening even with the whales and what they're doing. But Libero is now trending top 1 on BNB chain projects on DEX tools as well. So that's pretty significant. Now, I actually want to show you what the Libero bank looks like. Well, the app first, it shows you everything for the app. So 122 million market cap, we already know all that good stuff. And 5 minutes will be the next reward. So they're really not lying about rewards being sent out every 30 minutes. And they got the volume to do that. So the volume is at 1 million in the last 24 hours, which is pretty significant for what it's at. So that's definitely pretty cool to see that they're actually getting volume. Farming profits at $251,000, and total total burned is at 18.6 million, and then the total liquidity value is at about 13.6 million. That's a pretty big for liquidity. So we got a lot going on here, and you can see over here the total BUSD rewarded back to the holders, $1.2 million, and that's BUSD back to the holders. So Libero Insurance Treasury is now at 4.2 million. So they're really moving like an actual bank here. And marketing and development treasury is around $4.1 million. So there's a lot of money flowing through Libero. Now you can see the automatic hyper burn over here. The next burn is going to be $1.2 million. And they're really not lying. Every single week, they're burning this like huge amount, 2 to 4% every single week. So next one is going to be in 2 days. And the next burn is going to be $1.2 million worth, which is 136 million Libero. And you also got to think about how much Libero is inside of circulation. I believe it was actually, I'm probably going to have to look at CoinGecko to see how much they had burned, because I already forgot how much was, well, not burned, but how much is circulating. So actually, let's go all the way back here and find out the circulating supply from where we were at. So we're probably going to have to go all the way down here, click on CoinGecko, and it's just so the circulating. So total supply is 15.7 billion tokens. So considering the total is at 15.7 billion, and we're having a whole burn that's about to happen, a whole burn of 136 million, that's a pretty significant amount. So eventually it's gonna be very scarce, which we know that helps a lot for projects. But yeah, you can estimate your revenue over here. If you started over here at 100,000 Libero, starting at $893, and you held for 365 days, then your $893 should supposedly be over here 158 million Libero, which is about $1.4 million. So that's a very huge claim. I'm gonna say that's a very huge claim, but we'll see if that's true. Starting at $893 and then being all the way at about 1.4 million. Because you got to think about it. If everyone puts in $800, how is everybody at the end supposed to have 1.4 million? Because that would make it a really high market cap. Because you got to think there's about 100,000 people, and if there's about 100,000 holders inside of this coin, and I'm not doubting Libero, I'm not doubting it at all. It's just I'm looking at this. These are very high percentages, so it's definitely something I would like to talk to someone more educated on this about because I'm pretty new to this coin. But anyways, that would be 143 million market cap out of the 100,000 holders, and that's 143 billion. That's higher than Binance itself. So I want to see how is $892 starting balance supposed to be all the way at $1.4 million by the end of the year. So yeah, it's definitely interesting to see. But you also got to think about it. That's with staking and auto rewards. So that could be with all that included. But yeah, I'm gonna have to see about that. But yeah, there is some potential here I'm seeing with Libero. So I'm definitely gonna have to be looking into this some more in the near future. And here is the Libero bank for the people that were wondering. So total Libero rewarded is about 422 million Libero at $3.7 million. Total BUSD about 471K in BUSD rewards, 1.2 billion or 1.2 million. And yeah, that's pretty much it for that. And then Libero locked over here, 2.1 billion Libero locked, about $19.2 million. X Libero in circulation, which is the bank fund that they have, 1.9 billion. And average lock time is about 1,287 days, which is about 4 years. So on average, it's showing that people, well, not about 4 years. I think that's a little bit less than 4 years. But yeah, there is a lot of people that are locking their coins. I mean, locking for 4 years, that's definitely a long-term value right there. So it definitely looks like the Libero has long-term value. Now with all the tokenomics, and not necessarily tokenomics, but with all the stuff that they got going on for their bank and stuff, I wouldn't be surprised if you've seen a Libero get hacked in the future, because that's a lot of money locked. And usually when you get these whole DeFi platforms, that's usually what happens. People lock for a long time and then somehow it gets hacked. So I really hope Libero does not get hacked. I really hope I don't see any hacks for that. Like, that would be terrible for people to lose your money like that. But yeah, that's why I say it is a little bit risky to lock it up for like 14 or for 4 years, because if a hack happens, then anyone could get all their stuff stolen. But hopefully it doesn't happen like that. You need to lock a minimum of 100 Libero. You can lock maximum unlimited Libero, and early unlock penalty fee is 90%. So if Libero was about to shut down and close and you locked it for 4 years, the early unlock penalty for you will be 90%, which is definitely pretty high, but it is a penalty for unlocking it. You also claim your rewards here automatically, your pending Libero rewards or your pending BUSD rewards. And you can also do the referrals. So they have a whole referral program. The more people you invite into Libero, the more people or the more money you'll make pretty much here with Libero. So it does seem like there's some potential here with Libero. I'm gonna have to keep up with this. But yeah, I'm gonna have to let you all know how my Libero investing journey is, because the claims that they're making, they're pretty big claims. $1,000 becoming 1,500 or 1.5 million in the future. That's huge. I mean, for 1 year of holding Libero, going from 1,000 to 1.5 million, everybody who puts 1,000 in, that's pretty huge. So I'm gonna have to see about that claim. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. I just wanted to go over this. Big shout out to the member Kenneth Gray for letting me know about this. Libero is definitely blowing up, so you're definitely gonna want to keep this inside of your eyesight. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.